guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a winter random haul. I got a lot of shoes and I got a couple of makeup and miscellaneous things, so I said why not come on here and show you guys what I got. So if you guys can't tell, I am getting over a cold. I've been sick for the whole month of December and January, but yeah, so if you hear my voice and I'm raspy, that's why. But yeah, so let's get started with this haul. Make sure you guys give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I come out with videos every single week and you guys don't want to miss out on that. So let's get straight into this video. Start with shoes because that is what I have the most of. So the first pair of shoes that I got are these shoes, and they're aerosols. They're gray and black and they're flats. And I got these from work. They're super comfortable and they're really soft and super cute. You can pair it with anything. And the price of these were $29. The next pair of shoes are from Payless, and I got these boots. They're these calf boots. They have an opening on the calf, as you can tell. And these are a size 12 as well. They have gold detailing on the back of the shoe. And I like boots like these. These are pointy toe boots, and I can pair with some jeans and a flannel, and that could be my whole outfit. So these are super cute. The price of these were $23.99. So the next two shoes that I have are gonna be boots, and I bought some boots from Payless because they had a winter sale going on where they had a lot of boots and all their shoes were on sale. These are the first pair of boots that I got. I had a pair like this but without the fur about a couple of years ago, and I needed a new pair, so these are super cute. They kind of remind me of the knockoff of the Uggs, and they're comfortable, and I live in New York, so it does snow until April, so I'm gonna definitely be using these a lot for the winter time. Price of these were $50, but I got them on sale for 20 bucks. Okay, so the next pair of boots are these. These were on sale for 20 as well. And these are the black ones, but these are tall black ones. And I always wanted a pair of tall boots to go with jeans and stuff like that, so these are cool. These are the size 12, and I paid 20. The original price was 50. And if you guys want me to leave a link to all of the shoes, I'll leave them down below. They still have them and they're still going to be on sale, so you don't want to miss out on that. So moving on to clothing, I only have two things of clothing that I purchased recently, and they're both from Forever 21. This is a flannel, and I picked this up in the flannel department, and this is just a plain red checkered flannel, super long, and I love plain tops like this to wear when I'm not working or if I want to be casual. And the price of this was $16.99. The next thing that I got from Forever 21 is in the contemporary section. I wore this for I think a video, a winter lookbook or a fall lookbook, and I never showed you guys how much it cost and where it came from. This is from Forever 21, and it's like a duster, a tan duster, and I love it. It's super long, and the price of this was $23. Moving on to jewelry. I love collecting jewelry, and I picked up 4 chokers from New York & Company this month. I picked up a set. These were a set. This one is tan and this one is pink, and they're just the basic. They're just these basic chokers that you can wear and just pair it with anything, so can't have enough chokers. This one I got for Christmas and I'm wearing that one. The next two that came in the set were this metallic one right here, which is super cute, and this black with the holes, the hole punches one, which I like a lot too. I wore this a couple days ago and I got a lot of compliments, so I love chokers. I have a huge collection of chokers. So moving on to makeup. I picked up a lot of makeup things this month because a lot of things were on sale for after Christmas. So the first thing that I got as far as makeup are these Artiste brushes, or the knockoff of the Artiste brushes. And these are rose gold, and they're face brushes, and I love these actually a lot more than a beauty blender and my regular brushes. They're super soft and they blend the makeup out very evenly, so I would definitely recommend. I got these from Walmart. The original price of these were $15 and I got a set of 5 for only $7, so came here. Next thing that I got from Walmart was these 2 sets. They're like these, one is a correcting eye or cream. It comes with concealer, one for dark spots, under eyes, redness, dark circles, and dullness. So this is like a color corrector. So this is like a color corrector one, and this one is a blush and highlight one because I did need more blushes than I got these. These were only $2. The original price of this was $4.95 and I only paid $2.50 for 2 of them. So last thing that I got for as far as makeup kit is this contour kit from Bonica Cosmetics. This is a cruelty-free makeup brand, and it just comes with the regular highlights and contour kit, and I'll leave a link for it down below, and I got it from Rite Aid. And the last thing for makeup are these Burt's Bees matte lipstick sticks, and these are super moisturizing. I have one on my lip now. This is actually in the nude color. I got 2 of the same color, and these are in the colored Napa Valley. So I am gonna move on to hair, and I picked up 2 things of these flexi rods. I had some, but those were the cheap ones. I got a pair from Conair right here, and these are actually from Diane. So I have a whole bunch to do when I do want to do flexi rods. I have a bunch. So I think the price of this was about $8, and these were $20 because this comes with, I believe, 50, and this one only comes with, I don't know how much this one comes with, but yeah. So the last thing for this random haul is going to be tech related. I bought the Canon 50mm 1.8 standard lens for my camera, and I did try it out with a video. I'll leave the link to it in the cards. And it's a zoom lens as well as it blurs out the background. I like it, but for videos like this where I have to show a bigger area, I'm gonna stick with my 50 to 135mm lens, and this one will be for like talking videos where I'm not showing anything, or makeup videos. So, and the price of this was about $130 on Amazon. I'll link it down below. But that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this random winter haul for 2018. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel because I come out with new videos every single week. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next week with my new video. Bye.